Were you surprised by this portion of the verdict, all in favor of Johnny Depp?
I wasn't surprised. This verdict is a complete repudiation of all of Amber Heard's allegations for both domestic violence and sexual abuse. Again, it's not to say that it didn't happen, but we are in a court of law, and she failed to prove those things happened with unbiased, corroborated evidence, and she missed the mark, and it cost her case.
Well, Casey, what was missing? You know, there were photographs, there were supporting accounts from her sister and friends and a makeup artist. There was the testimony of Amber Heard. So much for the jury to consider. We kept hearing that it was sexual abuse and physical abuse and mental abuse and verbal abuse, and the jury rejected all of it. Why?
Well, primarily because it falls down to the credibility of the witness, and in this case, the alleged victim. And as a criminal defense attorney, I try a lot of domestic violence cases, and it's typically he said, she said. Even when you have pictures, if the jury is not inclined to believe you, they'll believe that those pictures or your quote unquote evidence is not credible. And oftentimes you have these victims of domestic violence that should utilize the system as a shield, but then they utilize it as a sword against the other person for whatever motive. So in this case, I do believe that the jury did not believe Amber Heard, and the verdict there showed it.
And